So, it's pretty small. I thought it was going to be just a touch bigger, but it's okay. At least it's going to help. So, I'm going to put it flat on the ground so you can see it. Sylvester, get out of there. Get out of there, little buddy. Hi! Say hello to everybody. Alright, anyway. So, it is going to help me make straight lines. But it is kind of small. So, but it'll work. So it looks like it's got, a couple of circles in there. Square. A couple of lines. A couple of finger tools. See the other side? Oh, nothing on the other side.